kaibigan, kasama po natin sa Sports Corner PH and Sports on Air, si Mr. Carmelo Navarro. Siya po ang Vice Chairman ng UCAL Universities and Colleges Athletic League, which is now on its 8th season. Ang kanilang team ay rising to new heights. At ang host school po natin ay Central Scholar University. Coach Melo, magandang hapon. Welcome to Sports Corner.
Good afternoon sa lahat ng subscribers at followers.
Okay, Coach, could you describe to us yung mga nangyari kanina? Of course, the opening ceremony, and then of course kanina meron tayong Mr. and Mrs. UCAL, and maya-maya konti we will have the street dance competition, which is part of the vital events ng ating UCAL sa pag-umpisa ng ating 8th season po natin.
Well, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the member schools, especially our host school, Central Scholar University, for really raising the bar para sa UC. So we have a lot of events in store for you this season, and just concluded our Mr. and Miss UC, that's the first para sa aming napakabatang liga, and also to be followed by the street dance competition, and we're expecting a lot of festivities para sa competition and again, for the first semester to be the volleyball tournament, men's and women's volleyball, to be followed by the basketball competition come January.
Okay, so kamusta ang reception o turnout ng ating mga member schools sa napakagandang opening na ito? And then for sure, sa mga susunod na araw, pagdating naman ng basketball, we have the 5-on-5, the 3-on-3, volleyball, esports, and we have some good news. We have also 2 new sports na ipapakilala natin. Coach Melo, could you describe us?
Yeah, that's true. We've had a good following in terms of our basketball tournament. Yung talaga yung nag-launch ng ating league, and we're very happy to welcome also new events. It's 3x3, esports, and for season 8, we'll be having our inaugural badminton and table tennis competition. So expect a lot of tough competitions during this season.
Okay, so ang host school ninyo would be Central Scholar University, at nakita natin kanina ang ilan sa mga top officials dito, si Attorney Danny Concepcion, who declared the games open, and other officials from different schools na very present, supported, at gaano kaingay itong mga crowd natin. Do we expect sa mga susunod na mga competitions, mas lalo pang CC Club ang apoy, o CC Club ang magpapainit ng sabihin natin rivalry sa hardcourt ng lahat ng UCL schools, whether basketball and volleyball, so on so forth?
Well, with the passion na meron yung mga member schools namin, it is just a matter of time before we fill up arenas like this. No? So we're very happy with the turnout na nakuha namin yun with our student community. And again, we expect them to show up, continue showing up come our games.
Okay, so ano ba mga, bukod pa sa mga dalawang new sports, ano ba mga bago na pakaabangan natin come season 8?
Well, for season 8, we retained our ruling in terms of foreign student athletes. So we still have 2 foreign student athletes in our roster, one at a time to play. So that's something interesting for our fans to see, kasi talagang hindi bumababa yung level of competition. Patuloy talagang pinapataas ng mga member schools natin yung kanilang program.
And of course, pinaalagaan din ninyo yung health and safety ng mga players, student athletes na rin, kasi we all know what happened doon sa dating CEU Scorpion na lumipat na sa UP tapos namatay sa practice. I'm talking about Israel Friday, may rest in peace po. Sa mga standards naman, yung mga concerns dito sa health and safety, para at least maging healthy and fit yung ating mga players, tinitiyak ba natin na always hand-in-hand kayo sa, of course, kung mayroong mga disturbances na nangyayari sa mga players natin, kung may mga may injure or nahihirapan na doon sa kanilang mga mental, mga physical and mental conditions?
Well, of course, the welfare of our student athletes, it's what's most important for us. No? So talagang binibigyan namin yan ng atensyon. And one of the requirements to be able to participate in UCAL is kailangan dumadaan sila to annual physical exams. And it's one of the requirements actually before they become eligible to play in the UCAL. And during our games naman, we always have our standby ambulance and medical team thanks to our partner which is Red Cross Philippines sa kanilang suporta sa ating mga manlalaki.
Okay, so kailan mag-umpisa ang basketball and volleyball competitions for the public can watch? And of course, yung ating mga alumni and mga students na rin to witness yung actions na UCAL.
And of course, we're inviting everyone to support our men's and women's volleyball tournament. It will start on October 14, 2025. The games will be held at University of Batangas. At yung ating namang basketball tournament will start on February 25, 2026, which will run up until March or April.
So, nauna pala yung volleyball, no? And then, sa second semester would be basketball. So, ito yung isa sa mga aabangan natin na mga pagbabago nga dito sa competition. May mga gusto kayo batiin sa Salamatan as well?
Well, again, I'm congratulating everyone na naging parte nitong UCAL. Salamat po sa inyong tiwala, confidence, and yung paniniwala niyo po sa grupo, yun yung nagpo-fuel para patuloy naming galingan pa at palakihin pa itong ating liga. And I'd like to thank all our sponsors, especially PG Flex Linoleum, our title sponsor for the past 4 seasons. Sa inyo pong walang sawang suporta. And of course, lahat-lahat po ng mga sumusuporta at naniniwala. Simula pa lamang po ito. And what we can only promise you, bigger things ahead.
And we definitely support at isa-spotlight natin ang mga champions natin sa ating Sports Story PH, and we're looking forward for more and more years to come sa UCAL. God bless, maraming salamat.